guys. So big. Wow. Okay, we're gonna to harvest the pompon pumpkin. Look at it, so big pumpkin. Wow. Yeah, welcome. So many. So big. Wow. So. Uy, 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 dat is heel zwaar. Oei, zwaar hè?
Jij dan?
Heel zwaar, ja? Kom. Oeh. Oké, friend. So big. Oh my gosh. So. Another one to harvest it. Wow. So much. So this is super big. My goodness. They are so big. Still yellow, that means the pumpkin is not yet not ready. So we're gonna to clean up this one. Look at that, guys. So big. Wow. So big. Look at that, guys. So many. So wow, so big. I love it. Dekorasi. There is it.
Oh,
Ja, dat is de kleine, die kan je nemen.
nee, misschien kan je het eten.
Heel zwaar.
Jawel.
Wow, goed zo. Doe maar dat. Oei, niet laten vallen.
Nee, dat
Ja, oké. Proberen met de hand.
niet kijken.
Dat is geen probleem. Dat is zo klein. Ja, heel zwaar. Niet laten vallen. Oh, the leftover, I just leave it here just for fun because I like to see them on the floor. So See you next time. We're gonna to see the pumpkin there behind, also in the backyard. There is a lot. Okay na? So good. So okay. Yeah, we make dekorasi, we make pumpkin soup, we make some vegetables, so many things. And the biggest is this one. This also biggest, but this color is nice. Look, this is the biggest and heavy. Wow, I'm gonna put it here again. Okay, come we can look the other pumpkin outside. Guys, like I say, the pumpkin is everywhere. So here also, okay, hiding there. If you can see it, here is also a big one, and look at the apple. The apple is already yellow, actually big. So pumpkin everywhere. I like it. They are cute. Oh wait, the storm yesterday. Oh, my tomatoes. Oh yeah. Ah! It's heavy storm. So I need to. Oh my God. Okay, guys, I need to do this one first. And okay, let it here first. Gonna go to look for the pumpkin. Like so here now, because it's cold weather, they are going down. Hi. So guys, that is for pumpkin. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. And I have to clean up the corn here also, and the season is already up. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. It's already. Okay, pak maar deze. Alleen deze in.
Ja, ik kan ook de kleine. Ook de kleine.
Good zo. Pak maar. Tillen. Heel zwaar. Oh, goed zo. Ah, pak maar.
En hop. Maar ik wil niet dat groene pakken.
Deze bedoel ik.
Ook Amazon.
Oh, daar.
Jij. En
Oei.
ik had het.
Pashouder, deze pashouder. Ja.
Nee, auw, dat doet pijn. Dat doet echt pijn.
This one.